Consider a point P with coordinates x, y in S frame of reference. On x-axis, a distance away from the origin point, there is another frame of reference S dash, in which the coordinates of point P are x dash and y dash. Since the x-axis of both frame of reference are same, therefore the y-coordinate of both frame of reference will be equal. Since the first coordinate of point P in A's frame of reference is x, so this distance will be equal to x. Similarly, this distance will be equal to x dash. As you can see, x is equal to a plus x dash. And so x dash will be equal to x minus a. Substituting the values of x dash and y dash for this point, we get this. The reasoning is similar if we shift the origin b units upwards. We will get s double dash frame of reference. And the coordinates in this frame of reference will be x double dash and y double dash. Since the y-axis of both frame of reference is same, so their x coordinate will be equal. We only need to calculate y coordinate for this new frame of reference, which is equal to this arrow. As you can see from the picture that this red dotted line is equal to sum of these two arrows. Sending b on the other side of the equation, we will get this expression. Previously we have derived that x dash is equal to x minus a. Substituting the values of x double dash and y double dash, we get this expression. Removing redundant terms from the diagram. Removing the intermediate S dash frame of reference. P double dash point in S double dash frame of reference is our point P in S frame of reference. So we had S frame of reference, A unit distance right and B unit distance up to this frame of reference. There is another frame of reference S double dash, in which the coordinates of point P becomes x minus a and y minus b. For example, if S double dash frame of reference is 2 unit right and 1 unit up to the S frame of reference, and coordinates of point P in S of frame of reference be 4, 4, then the coordinates of this point in S double dash frame of reference will be 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 1, which is equal to 2 and 3 respectively. You can verify that the coordinates of this point in S frame of reference are indeed 4, 4. And in S double dash frame of reference, the coordinates of this same point are 2, 3.